welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Umshengu noDoreen there, the hospital beyobona uNcubeko. Avuka uNcubeko baseselapho. They're so happy saying siyabonga ukuthi dad we are alive. Athi uMshengu, do you remember what happened? Ngitshele mfana wami kwenzekeni. Athi uNcubeko uMamChunu tried to kill me. And then uFakazile azwe ukuthi uNcubeko is awake. She was excited. She went to see uNcubeko. And then uMshengu phindele esibhedlela athi yazi I feel so bad. I feel like it's my fault. Ukuthi wena ulele lana ezinhloko esikela ekhaya. Athi uNcubeko, no, don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. And then afike-ke uNdumisa azobona uNcubeko. He apologized to Ncubeko. Athi uNcubeko, cha, I'm not the one you should be apologizing to. Kumele apologize kuma. Athi hayi, I'll go and apologize to Doreen face to face. And then baxolelana-ke, he even brought him inyama, saying, hey, ukudla sibhedlela kumnandi, I know that. And then uNcubeko decides he's going to discharge himself. Bamnceke udokotela and the nurse, but please don't leave, please stay, uzokwazi ukuphola. Athi no, I'm fine, I'm going home. But I signed the letter ukuthi you're discharging yourself. Hambe-ke Ncubeko ekhaya. He gets home enofakazile and his mom asho ukuthi yazi I was so foolish to think that MamChunu wants to make peace. What was I thinking ngempela? She could have killed me. And then uMshengu akukhulume noDonga ukuthi yazi I feel like I'm dreaming someone uzongivusa athi vuka uyaphupha kabi. And then he goes home. uMamChunu tries to apologize for what she did, saying that she feels bad. If Ncubeko had died, she was not going to forgive herself. uMshengu ukwate ugwana incwaba athi yazi ngibhizi ngihleli nenyoka la endlini umthakathi MamChunu umthakathi angazi ukuthi how do you do that to someone ungane yakho and then leave him to die. Thank you for watching. And then uDidi no Thoba. uThoba uthi it was a mistake what happened last night. And then uDidi uthi it was a mistake what happened last night. But uThoba uthi it wasn't. He confesses his love for uDidi, saying that I was a fool to let uSibusiso take my woman. You are my woman, you know, the love of my life. And then he gave uDidi a job on the rocks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.